Hello, today we are solving May 2025 Unit 2 IAL paper. Question number 1. Metropolis Traffic PLC is a company that will install and operate the traffic system for a large city. The system will be used to capture on camera motor vehicles that are driven in the city but do not meet the environmental regulations of the city. The owners of the motor vehicle will be charged for driving in the city. The contract to operate the system will be for 5 years. Okay, they have got a contract. The cost of setting up of the traffic system will be 4 million pounds. Okay, the finance director must choose between two possible options to finance the project. Option A is to take a bank loan, okay, worth of 4 million pounds at an interest of 11%, or option B, you take a funding package from a range of sources. The details are shown below. Okay, it is given here. So first one is calculated the weighted average cost of capital of option B. Okay, this is the option B. What is the weighted average cost of capital? Now we can see that weighted average cost of capital for option B will be, what is the formula? So you will calculate what is the sum of all the interest or the total interest paid, okay, total interest paid towards capital repayment divided by the total capital into 100. So now let's calculate the interest for each of them. Okay, %17.5 times 800,000, so that is going to be equal to 140,000. So that is nothing but 140,000 is the interest paid. Okay, then you have the debenture. The debenture is paid at the rate of 15%. So let's calculate that 15% of 1,200 million pounds. So that is going to be equal to 180,000. So 180,000. Then preference shares, they are paid at the rate of 7%. Okay, 7% of 500,000. So that is going to be equal to 35,000. 35,000. Then you have the ordinary shares. You are going to pay whatever the interest or the dividend. Okay, interest paid. So that is going to be 3% of 1,500,000. Okay, so that is equal to 45,000. Now let's add the total interest paid. Okay, 400,000. Okay, it is equal to 400,000. Now also the total cost or total capital. The total capital they have given. So total capital is equal to, we can write it directly, it is 4 million pounds. Okay, you can write it directly, 4 million pounds. So now the weighted average cost of capital for the option B investment is going to be equal to 400,000 divided by 4 million. Okay, 4 million, and then you will multiply with 100. So your cost of weighted average cost of capital will be around 10%.